How to fix Battlefield 6 Open Beta Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 error for ASUS motherboard. Follow me, restart your PC, go to BIOS, press delete repeatedly. Click on Advanced. Select PCHFW configuration. Enable firmware TPM and click OK. Next, go to Boot. Select CSM Compatibility Support Module. Disable Launch CSM and click OK. Go back and select Secure Boot. Change the OS type to Windows UEFI mode. Select Key Management and click Install Default Secure Boot Keys. Click Yes, save changes and exit. That's it. Learn something new? Hit subscribe and tap the bell for more quick computer tips. See you in the next one.